Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From wherever you're watching me from, this is Sam Ongoro. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my YouTube name is Sam Ongoro. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed so far. May God bless you and touch you in a mighty way. I don't take you for granted, but I really appreciate you guys. Now, what you're looking at today is I want to talk about chicken rearing. Or let's say this, chicken rearing or poultry farming. It's chicken rearing or poultry farming. It involves raising chickens for meat or eggs. It involves raising chickens for meat or eggs, requiring proper housing, proper feeding, and diseases management to ensure healthy and productive birds. Actually, chicken rearing require a proper housing and a proper feeding diet and disease management control to ensure healthy, productive birds. Let me give you more detailed look at chicken rearing. Number one, housing. That's number one. Essential features. A poultry house should be rain-proof, secure from wind, have smooth walls to prevent pests from hiding, and be well ventilated. I'm just talking about housing of poultry. And housing is very essential. And the features that are supposed to be looked at in poultry housing are simple. The house should be rain-proof, secure from wind, and have smooth walls to prevent pests from hiding and be well ventilated. The floor. A cemented floor is preferably for easy cleaning and disinfecting. Litter. Use plenty of litter after cleaning the poultry house. Separate chicks. Keep chicks separate from older birds. Space. Ensure adequate floor space per bird, especially 4 layers. Actually, do you know why people keep chicken or poultry? It is mainly for meat or eggs. What should a first-time chicken owner know? Coop, shelter, and space needs. The coop must be weatherproof. A wet chicken is not a happy chicken. It also needs to be big enough so there is enough space for everyone. Good ventilation is a must, or it is essential. It is also essential to clean your coop about once a month. Your hens need nesting boxes where they can lay their eggs. And which is the best method of rearing chicken? And let's go here. What is the age limit for chickens. The wild form of our domestic chicken can live around 10 years or average. It is assumed that a domestic chicken can live up to 15 years if it is well kept. The oldest chicken in the world was 22 years old, according to some news reports. Then, let me tell you something about what foods increase egg production in chickens. What foods increases egg production in chickens? To boost egg production in chickens, focus on a balanced diet rich in protein, calcium, and essential vitamins and minerals, including foods like rare feed, oyster shells, greens, and insects. And here is a more detailed breakdown. Protein is crucial for building the egg's structure, especially the albumin egg white. That's what I had for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.